a cup of coffee in my hand, sitting here and I'm alright, watching here beside